Hello everyone, I am Sujita, studying first year BSc Cons Agriculture in ACRA curriculum. I am going to discuss about the topic fertilizers industry. Industries of India. Industry is viewed as leading sector to economic development. We can have economics of scale by applying advanced technology and division of labor and scientific management. So production and employment will increase rapidly. This will bring economic growth and capital formation. 6 industries in India have been energy-intensive industries that are aluminum industry, cement industry, fertilizers industry, iron and steel industry, glass industry, and paper industry. Let's see the add-on of the fertilizers industry. Fertilizers. Agriculture growth is mainly depend on advance in farming technologies and increased use of chemical fertilizers. The fertilizers contain the three basic nutrients for agriculture: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Fertilizers industry. It is manufactured some of the most important raw material required for crop production. In 1993 to 1994, the fertilizer sector accounted for 7.4% of total feeds consumed in the manufacturing sector. The primary object of this industry is to ensure the inflow of both primary and secondary elements required for crop production in the desirable quantities. Fertilizers production of India. India is the fourth largest producers as well as consumers of fertilizers in the world. The fertilizers industry presents one of the most energy-intensive sector within the Indian economy. It increases in productivity through the adoption of more efficient and cleaner technology in the manufacturing sector. It will be most effective in merging economy and environment social development objective. India produces various kinds of both nitrogenous and phosphatic fertilizers. This includes straight nitrogenous fertilizers such like urea and ammonia, straight phosphatic fertilizers, single phosphate, and complex fertilizers like DAP. Energy use. Fertilizers production is one of the most energy intensive process in the Indian industry. Energy intensity in India fertilizers plants has decreased over time. This decrease is due to advance in process technology and catalyzed better stream size of urea plants and increased capacity utilization. Example of ammonia. Production of ammonia has greatest impact on energy use in fertilizers production. It accounts for 80% of the total energy consumption for nitrogen fertilizers. National Fertilizer Limited. It is the India's largest central public sector. This leading fertilizers company based on the net sales worth 131.3 billion Indian rupees as of February 2021. Nitrogen fertilizers capacity. In as early as 1960 to 1961, the public sector accounted for 87% of nitrogenous fertilizers capacity. The private sector held a share of 30% and the corporate sector did not exist yet. This chart shows that the Indian economic status of fertilizers industry from year 1970 to 1997, releasing by Center for Monitoring the Indian Economy in 1996. This chart explains introduction of high-yielding varieties of seeds and the greater awareness of the benefits of fertilizers spread through the government-initiated extension network that started in 1960, significantly spread the production and consumption of fertilizers. Demand projection for fertilizers consumption up to the year 2001 to 2002 are presented in this table. Thank you.